Hi guys, we're going to do a fire alarm tour of the Daytona 500 Club. Yep, that's right. I get access to this. Notifier BZ12 and a Xentex remote strobe. Alright. Xentex Commander 3, I gotta be awfully quiet because I like to talk a lot. Let's see this huge room in here. Look, it's Belle France on the picture. Another Xentex Commander 3. Look at this room, it's huge. LG TVs everywhere. A notifier BZ12, a kitty fire extinguisher, and another Commander 3. Another Xentex Commander 3. This is a cool building, honestly. I'm going to try to do as many tours of as many buildings in this place as I can. Another Xentex Commander 3. I'm just going to not have to say the name because I'm sure y'all know what's in it. Nothing about fire extinguisher. I want to know what the panel is.
I need a pit marshal.
You know what, I'll find out. I have a guy that just got into that. He was buying a plotter and a printer.
Another notifier BZ12 and a Xentex Commander 3. Let's do a quick peek of what's in the bathrooms and then we gotta get the heck out of here. Alright. And in the bathroom we have it smells nice in here. A Xentex remote strobe. It looks like he's set on 15 candela. Thanks for the fire alarm tour, guys. I used to be saying that to me. Never mind. Bye. Never mind, we're not done with the fire alarm tour. Because we still got more alarms. Xentex Commander 3 in here. Hello? Anyone in this room? Xentex Commander 3 and a BZ12. Anyone in this room? Why is it? This place is empty. Another Xentex Commander 3. Oh, look at that. I got a nice view of outside. Alright, what's in the bathroom? I know they already checked fire alarms in the bathroom, but it's another Commander remote strobe. What do you think of that? I'm gonna have to put this video into 2 parts. Oh, there's people over there. All the way on the other side of it. Another Commander 3. They don't have any pole stations out here for some reason. I wonder why. Gatorade Victory Lane. They still have that deal with Gatorade. Their deal with Gatorade is never going to end. Another Commander 3. You know, if when I'm in this building, I might as well just make some elevator videos also. Look at that view. Ain't that some awesomeness? Never mind. Here we go. Find the stairs. This bar is empty. Look at that. I could just slide across it like it's a big slip and slide. But don't hit that thing on the end. Go up the stairs with that same alarm setup and emergency lights. Alright, Commander 3. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm going to take an elevator on the way down. Another. Oh my goodness, it still goes. At level 3, Xentex Commander 3. Anybody in this building? Who's in this building? Stair 3. Commander. Commander 3, this is about as much as we're going to do today, guys. Bye. Never mind, we're going to do just part 3, just for the hell of it. Fire alarm in here. Alright, what's on here? Alright, oh, another Commander remote strobe. They should make a ceiling strobe. Suite 5, maintenance personnel only. Oh boy. Is anybody in this room? No, that door's locked. Commander 3. It's dark as heck in here. McDonald's, Daytona suit, fire alarm, alright, Xentex Commander 3. I'm gonna go up the stairs again. Oh my. Alright. President's Row. It's probably the last level. I'm probably the only person that can make fire alarm doors at racetracks. Ain't that some stuff? Roof. Oh my. Xentex Commanders again. We're on the roof now, guys. I gotta make... Okay, apparently this is locked. Alright, I guess that's the end of our fire alarm tour of the Daytona 500 Club building. See ya.